How to fix Safari not working on phone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the airplane mode feature as shown. As you can see, it is currently turned off. Turn on the airplane mode feature. After some time, turn it back off. This might help with the issue. After that, go back and scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your apps over here. Scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. Here, scroll down to the Privacy and Security section and tap on Hide IP address. IP address can be used to determine personal information. Over here, select Off. Now, go back and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Choose a time frame from here. For example, All History. And then tap on Clear History below. Lastly, go back to the Settings page and tap on Cellular. Go to the Cellular Data section and tap on Show All below. Here, turn on the Safari option as shown. Following these steps, you can easily fix Safari not working on iPhone.